Hey fantastic you, welcome back. And if you're new to the channel, welcome, glad to have you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so we can be friends. We are painting today. We're gonna do a 3-compartment split cup and just gonna do a ring pour. So color wise, these are actually Amsterdam paints. Decided to bring them out to play. So we have Kaput Mortem Violet. Our gray is titanium white with a splash of ivory black and a splash of the Kaput Mortem Violet, just to give it more of a pinky hue to it. Not really noticeable, but we'll see what it looks like once we spin it out. And then our light colored one here is Persian Rose. So 3 colors. I'm not really a pink person, but just something was telling me to try out pink again. So you got to go out of your comfort zone every now and then. But we're going to get these filled up. So we're going to try something. Tried it before and it worked, so hopefully it will work again. Okay, all full. Let's move this out of the way. Okay, so again, we're doing a ring pour. I might spin this a little bit. We will see. I remembered to get a bamboo skewer. So again, Amsterdam paint. That's about center there. So let's give this a chance. Just trying to stay centered. Not a lot of spinning. My circles are not the best. Let's get better at this. I'm slightly off-centered. Oh, I keep not staying in the center. The circles are getting better. Such hard work. I'm going to have to recenter this when I'm done pouring my circles. Okay, that wasn't bad. I've done better. Clean off my finger. Let's take a bamboo skewer and just fix this. There we go. Okay, I need to recenter this because it's just doing its own thing, trying to go off on that edge. It's not how this game works. Of course, that was mainly me. Okay, let's give it a torch. So I let my paint sit for almost 2 days, actually. I wanted to do this yesterday, but I was waiting on new lights to come in. So, okay, I'm gonna take what's left of this violet, just add a little bit of water to it, thin it out. Probably thinned it out a little too much. We're gonna add it to our corners. Yeah, it's very thin now. I added too much water, but that's okay. Just to get our corners done. Okay, let's start spinning this guy. Not gonna do really bad oomph spins. Just because I'm worried this is gonna fall off. Just trying to get it on there a bit tighter. Oh, that's looking pretty. Very pretty. Don't mind the background noises. Got a load of wash in the washing machine. That's what that is. Okay, so we got one corner covered. Oh, a couple more spins. Probably 2, maybe 3, and I think we're going to be fully covered. I'm going to torch again. So even though I let my paint sit longer than I normally would, I had to actually add a little bit of water before I started here. Okay, so paint is Amsterdam. Already mentioned that. It is mixed 1 part Amsterdam to 1.5 parts pouring medium. My pouring medium for this, I've switched it up a bit from previous videos. It is 70% PVA glue, Elmer's glue wall, and 30% water. Oh, I'm really liking this one. Just those hints of gray. Oh, the gray was a good choice. I was actually debating between silver and gray, and sometimes the metallics don't play nice. So you got to be careful. We're almost over. I can hear my washing machine. It's doing, I think, a wash portion on it. So I don't know if you can hear it in the background. That was a good spin. That might have done it. So hard to tell when it's spinning so fast. There's just a little bit that needs to get covered, but I can probably just do that with some excess paint that has spun out. So let's get this lovely lady stopped. Let's zoom you in. So what do you think? I think this is beautiful. Loving that soft gray. It's more noticeable in the Persian rose, but I think it's a good contrast with that, well, what is it called? Caput Mortem Violet. Yeah, really liking this one. Super happy with it. So thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Until next time.